Welcome to the AT&T Wi-Fi Portal, where you'll find all your network's key features in one place. The first time you log in, you'll need to set up multi-factor authentication on your smartphone. First, download the Salesforce Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play. After opening the app and following the on-screen instructions, you'll receive a two-word phrase unique to your mobile device. Now, log into the AT&T Wi-Fi Portal website. You'll receive a welcome email containing a link to connect your mobile device to your AT&T account. Using the link in the welcome email, enter your unique two-word phrase. Congratulations, your mobile device is now linked to your account. Now, when you log into the AT&T Wi-Fi Portal, you'll receive a notification from the Salesforce Authenticator app. After approving the login via the app, you'll automatically be logged into the Wi-Fi portal. Here, you'll be able to see your dashboard, view support tickets, and quickly manage user accounts and network settings. The ticketing page makes creating, sorting, and managing support tickets easy. Users can see created cases, view their case's details, leave comments, and check for updates. Here you can create tickets, entering important information about issues like site location, severity, and the device affected. Once submitted, it will be assigned to an agent to resolve. Use the search bar to quickly find individual or types of tickets. You can also create and save filters, making sorting tickets quick and simple. The user page helps you manage your users. You can view your current users from this page. Quickly create a new user by entering their details here. Then, just choose their permission level. Congratulations, you're done. To deactivate or reactivate a user, simply click the three dots next to their account and change their status. In Help documents, you can quickly access, search, and find FAQs. Download help documents, and look up international helpline numbers. You can handle all your hardware details from the Orders page. Here, you can track your requests to move, remove, disconnect, or relocate hardware. You'll also be able to track your order history and view all charges in one space through the schedule of charges. If your organization uses Aruba, you can access your network management tools through the Manage Network Settings link on the AT&T Wi-Fi Portal dashboard. You'll now be redirected to your network's HPE Aruba Networking Central portal. The Manage tab group contains tools to help you control your network. You can view your network's access points, switches, and gateways from the Devices tab. The Clients tab shows all registered users on your network. Use the Guests tab to view and manage guest users on your network. The Applications tab houses any applications running on your network. Protect your network from the Security tab with access to Firewall options, Gateway IDS/IPS, Authentication, and more. Use the Analyze tab group when you need to review and report on your network. Alerts and Events shows time-sensitive network activity. Audit Trail shows activities that need reviewing. The Tools tab houses useful functions, including Network Check, Device Check, Command, and Console. Need to generate a report for your network? From the Report tab, you can create reports based on a number of factors, including schedule, client inventory, schedule or usage, as well as infrastructure needs, such as capacity planning, resource utilizations, and WAN availability. For more information, please contact your AT&T representative today.